Hi, my dear students. Today we are discussing the topic Unit 5 Corporate Events. Here, in this corporate events, we are already completing meaning of corporate events and the types of corporate events. Now we are moving on the next topic called as job responsibility of corporate events organizers. See, here job responsibility of corporate events organizer, it is very essential and important topic here. In this topic, event organizers are the people who can plan and organize the events of various kinds such as a formal events or informal events, either it is a personal events or it is a corporate events. See, their responsibility is very essentially needed. Without their performance, without their performing their responsibility or the duty, then the event become the failure. Therefore, each and every event success is depending upon the corporate events organizers only. Therefore, we should know whether the responsibilities are properly assigned or not. This is the responsibilities plays in a very important role in the success of an event. Therefore, now we are discussing the responsibilities of corporate event organizers. In that, the first one here, market research, marukette samshodhane. Market research is very essential responsibility and first responsibility of research organizers is to conduct the market research. They are identifying the opportunities in a particular market, whether in a market having a right opportunities for the product launch. For example, in the product launching, what happens here, whether the market has a positive opportunities or negative opportunities. The market research helps the event organizers to make requirement analysis of the client. Why? Because depending upon the market requirements only, depending upon the market research only, what are the requirements of events we are known because of the market research only. This also helps the company knowing the size of the market and existing competition of various events. See what happening here, this is the first responsibility of the corporate event organizers, market research. They should study about the market, whether the market are properly arranged, whether the market having the right customers. What happens when we are conducting this particular event, it is all we are researching or studying about market. This is the first and basic responsibility of corporate event organizer. This is the first responsibility. And now we are moving on the second responsibility called as analyzing event requirement. Analyzing event requirement, what happening here, we should analyze that what are the requirements needed to conduct a particular event. Based on the market research what we are conducting in the first responsibility, based on that market research, the organizers will come to know their potential clients, and they telling the potential clients what are the requirements they needed. In the requirement analysis, company should tell the client about the various requirements based on the proposed event, whether it is a decoration or it is a basic infrastructure or it is a seating arrangement, hospitality, safety and security. Each and every requirement they are analyzing in the second responsibility. The second responsibility, analyzing the event requirements, ಸಂದರ್ಭದ ಅಗತ್ಯತೆಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಯುವಂಥದ್ದು. And the third one is budget preparation. We are known the term budget. Here budget is nothing but it is a income and expenditure of a particular period or a particular term. What happens here? Budget preparation, Mungada Patra Tayarisuvike. Budget preparation also one of the responsibility of the event organizers. Why? Because preparing a budget is a major issue in an event management companies. Why? Because they should know whether how much the cash or how much the capital we are investing in the particular event. Why? Because the events having so much of expenditure such as rental cost, catering cost, transportation cost, decoration expenses, and cost of gift, contingency expenses. All those expenses, it is very essentially should estimate whether how much it is. Estimations is essentially needed. That is what we call as in a particular term budget preparation. This is also one of the responsibility of the corporate event organizer. And the fourth one is ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್, ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಮತ್ತು ರಕ್ಷಣಾ ಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಕೈಗೊಳ್ಳುವುದು. ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಆನ್ ಇವೆಂಟ್. ವೈ? ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹೆಲ್ತ್ issues, without the safety and health precautions, we are not able to gathering the participants or the audience. So therefore the organizers should take care of health, security and safety of the participants. Therefore it is very essentially taken a right steps to be taken to avoid the problem. It is also one of the responsibility of event organizers. And next one is venue management. Venue management is nothing but a place management, sthala nirvahane. Participants, they are expecting enjoyable experience in an event. Why? Because they are attending the event to get a right experience or happy experience or joyful experience. Therefore it is very essential to maintain a right venue or right place. So what happens here? The venue should provide the space for sponsors and display their products also. And the next responsibility here, organizing facilities. It is very essential responsibility. This is the sixth responsibility. What happened here? Organizing facilities should take care about the audience, such as the facilities is nothing but the car parking, traffic control and security, first aid, hospitality, each and every these facilities. What happens here? The experience of the audience or the participants will increases automatically. What happening here? This is the facilities improves and it gives a reputed name to the event as well as the organization. This is also one of the responsibility of organizing event people. And the next one is identifying and securing speakers or special guests. ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳ ವ್ಯವಸ್ಥೆ, ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಿ securing speakers and special guests. Organizers should select a competent speakers, master of ceremonies. In an event, what happens here? The people's concentration or the audience concentration we gathering only with the help of speakers. Why? Because when they speak the positive thoughts, positive feelings, positive opinions, what happens? The concentration or the attention covered by or captured by the speakers only. Therefore it is also a responsibility. You should identify the securing speakers or the special guest who having a right knowledge and creative knowledge in their mind. And the next responsibility is coordinating, samanvaya sibbandi. See what happens here? Each activity of an event is very precious for us. In an event organizer should select an appropriate mix of employees to handle a given task, and each employee is having the coordination between one among them. Why? Because without coordination, we can't get the right responses and we can't get the right performance also. Therefore, coordination plays a very, very important role. And next, we are moving on. Next responsibility here, sponsorship. It is also one of the most important responsibility of event organizers. What happening here, conducting an event is a costly affair, costly activity. Therefore we should select a right sponsors. Why? Because sponsors, they given the sufficient funds, means what happens here, we are our event will become success, means because of the sponsorship only. And also we properly using the right opportunities and the right funds also. It is very, very essential responsibility of event organizers to take the right sponsors and using their sponsorship in a positive manner. And the next 10th one is, 10th responsibility of organizers is preparing the delegate packs and papers. What happening here, event organizers should prepare resources such as a kits, that may be a file kits, that may be a bags, or it may be include the writing pad, pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, white sheet or notepad, or certain some of papers to record the key points or to write down the any some their important essential concept. What happens here, we are also providing the platform to express themselves and to write down what is the right one, what is the wrong one. It is also one of the most important responsibility. They should prepare the delegate packs and papers. It includes what we call as a kits or bags. It includes the pen, pencil or eraser or sharpener. It is also one of the responsibility of organizers. And the 11th one is promotion of the event. It is a basic and fundamental responsibility of organizers. What happening here, the media is very, very essentially selected to promote the event. Without promotion, the organizers cannot be successful. Why? Because promotion is very, very essentially needed for their event, because of to improving the goodwill, because of to improving the publicity, as well as to promote their product also by using the social media, or by using the technologies. Each and every, whatever media you are selected, they may be social media, mass media, or any newspaper. So these are all what things we made. It is a responsibility of the organizers should select the right media for the promotion purpose. And the next responsibility is feedback. What happens here, feedback also one of the responsibility of the organizers. Event organizers should devise a mechanism to obtain constructive feedback from the participant. What happens here, in some situations they getting the feedback from the participants. What happening here, they because of the feedback, they knowing whether the experience of the event of participants, for example, they given, yes, it is a right experience we getting from this event. In certain situations they expressing, no, we are not getting the right experience from this event. Like this, each and every questionnaires they are preparing, the event organizers, they preparing the questionnaires, some questions. See, the first question is, for example, the first question, how you experience in this event, say yes or no. So participants given the response yes. When they are feel it is a right experience, means they given the yes. When they are feel bad experience, means no. See, this is the feedback. When we are getting this feedback, we should know that what is our strengths and weaknesses and how we are conducting this event. This is also one of the responsibility of the organizers. And the 13th one, responsibility, post event evaluation. Pre-event evaluation and post-event evaluation, it is very essential. After completing our event, it is advisable to evaluate the whole event. The evaluation should be done against the whether we pre-planned plans and what is our expected outcomes. We should compare pre-plans, and we should compare with the expected outcomes. What is our plan, what is the actual performance? We should compare in the post event evaluation. In that situation, we should know that what is the differences taken place. So this is also one of the responsibility of event organizers. And the next one is preparation of reports. It is very essentially needed. Preparation of reports. The reports is given to the top level management, sponsors and the stakeholders, shareholders, how you are using the funds, how you are organizing the event. Event organizers should prepare a report about entire activities of the event. This report is essentially needed by the top level management, sponsors and those people who needed this information. It is also a responsibility of organizers should prepare the reports also. These are all what we called as responsibilities of organizers. Once again, we sum up these responsibilities. First one is market research, second one is analyzing the event requirements, and the third one is budget preparation, fourth one is safety and health issues, fifth one is venue management, and the sixth one is organizing facilities, and the seventh one is identifying and securing speakers and special guests. Eighth one is coordinating. Ninth one is sponsorship. Tenth one is preparing delegate packs and papers. 11th one is promotion of the event. 12th one is feedback, and 13th one is post event evaluation. 14th one is preparation of reports. These are all the responsibilities of event organizers. It is the 6 marks question.